I went off on a tangent yesterday, started watching videos of people getting grab boxes at Michael's, and I was like, that's a thing. So anyway, my dog's gonna come sit with us. My husband loves Christmas. I like Christmas, it's not as big a deal to me. Like, I don't like want to decorate everything in the world, but he does. So I said that a lot of it was Christmas, and I thought, well, this will be great. He'll be very excited to get Christmas stuff. So we'll see what he thinks. But when I got there, I thought I'm gonna buy 2 boxes because they're $10 each, right? And I went to a very nice neighborhood in Austin. I found the stash of boxes and I was like, cool. But they were all marked to $5 each. So I picked up 4 of them. When I got to the register, and if you've ever bought any of these at Michael's, the buggies aren't very big. So it was kind of a weird driving thing for me. And so I got up there and the lady who checked me out said, I'm just gonna charge you for one of them. We just really need to get rid of these. And I was like, what? So I got all 4 boxes for $5 and we're gonna see what I got. So this is box number 1. Let's see what's in here. Okay, there's something in here. Oh, what is this? Oh my, I think it's a tree skirt actually. And it looks like a polar bear. I don't know that it's really my style, but one of my kids might like it. I have 4 adult children, so they might wanna have a tree skirt that's really fluffy. It looks like a polar bear, it's really cute, you know? So what do you think, Jessica? You like it? Okay, my daughter's in here too. Let's see. This is cute. Oh, he'll love to hang this kind of stuff up. Your dad will like this, right? Believe in the magic of Christmas. Let's see, this was usually $19.99. So that was 20 bucks. Let's see how much the tree skirt was. It was $60, y'all. This is a $60 tree skirt. So I'm already making money here. All right. There's some kind of other little sign here. Holiday Pines Tree Farm. Oh, he'll like this one too. Yeah, he loves this kind of stuff. $25. And it's in great shape. I mean, there doesn't seem to be any problems with it. It just never sold. So now we have this. Okay. I think he's really gonna like this stuff. I don't know what this is. It's a little weird. It's kind of like a tabletop, like sculpture-y kind of thing. Christmas. Tabletop decor, it says.
The Santa's sleigh.
And okay, so this is the front of Santa, and on the back, see the back of him. Now, not something I would pick up, but my husband likes weird stuff. He really did. My daughter's nodding right now. He'll like name this thing or something and put it somewhere. I don't know. It's weird, but I think it's gonna probably stay in my house. Let's see what else I have. What's this? It's like a giant bell. Okay. It's enormous. Does it actually, it doesn't really make me, yeah, it does. But it's kind of weird. I mean, I think it could look good, like up above a door or something. This was, I don't know how much this was. It was $17, $16.99. And I don't know how much this weird Santa thing was. It was $20. People paid $20 for this. Or maybe they didn't, that's why we had it. So, okay. What else? Oh, this is amazing. Jesse, you're gonna love this. Look at this. We have a nutcracker collection. This is like perfection. Look at that. It's so pretty, isn't it? There's no tag on this. I don't know, but it had to be expensive.
He brought out his Santa.
Oh, and he brought his Santa toy over here. This may be my favorite thing so far. Here, will you put that over there so I don't break it? Oh, wow, your dad's really gonna love that one. Okay, I have another weird silver thing. Okay, it's just a Christmas tree. So I guess they're a set. And this one was $10. Weird. Okay. Again, I think they'll be a part of our family though. Oh, I've got another sign of some sort. There's nothing on it. Maybe you're supposed to paint on it or something. Do you not use it? Oh, I think it's like to put cheese and stuff on. Is that right? A tray, yeah. So you could like put stuff on this. And this looks like an ornament, like a little wooden tray. And it was $30, y'all. That's crazy. Okay, what do I have here? Rimming sugar. It's black. Maybe this looks like silver pearl is what it says. So it's silver rimming sugar for drinks. I don't know. Rimming sugar cocktail garnish. Brew glitter. I don't know if I want to take a drink and then have glitter on me, you know? I don't know. This is the same one. There's 2 of them in here. So one of our friends and I, we like to have drinks together a lot. Maybe I'll give one of these to them and see what they can figure out with it. Okay, now I've got a ton of ribbon in here. I've got 3 rolls of this ribbon. And it's really pretty and really nice. This stuff's always expensive. This was $12.99 a roll. And it's the velvety stuff with lots of silver on it. There are 3 rolls. That's crazy. What do you think about that? How much is the rimming sugar? I don't know. It doesn't have the price on it. That's just weird. Brew glitter. And then I have some candles. Okay, we could do some things with this. We could make like a thing, you know? And these are each $13. So I've got 3 pretty candles. You could totally make like some kind of tabletop decor. Pretty amazing. Let me put, I'm covered in glitter now. Let me put these things back in this box. We'll keep that nutcracker out because I don't want it to break. It is so cool. That's the coolest thing ever, right? Weird silver stuff. These signs are way cool. You like them? Okay. This bell's a little weird. I'm not sure about that. Okay. Let's go on to the next box, shall we? What do you think so far, Jess? She likes it. She's kind of moving things around for me. All right, box number 2. Okay. We have Christmas cards. 1, 2 of them. 2 boxes of Christmas cards. We don't usually send out a lot of Christmas cards, but I don't know. We may have somebody like sometimes when I give people money or something for Christmas, I like to just put it in a card. So this might be good. Yeah. So they were $10 each. There's 15 in one, 10 in another. So that's 25 cards. Yeah, for sure. Look, here's another set. More Santa cards. Okay, these Creatology things, I just don't know what I will do with these. They're both like advent calendars. So this one, I don't know, my daughter likes to make things. Maybe she would want to make this. If not, it could always be kind of a grab bag kind of item at my school. Like, especially around the holidays in my tech theater class, sometimes we're looking for like things to do. Somebody might enjoy making this. And then there's another one that's a tree. So these were like $10 each. Okay, all these ornaments are these are like mini ornaments. Those were $6. These are nice. We have a lot of ornaments that need to be replaced because a lot of ours are not looking so great. They've been around a long time. I got 2 more sleeves of ornaments. Just the ornaments alone are pretty cool. They were $6 a sleeve, so that was $24 worth right there. Oh, we got cookie cutters. We got 2 of these. There's like a whole set of them. This was $12.99 each. I mean, those are pretty cool, yeah? I feel like we could give one of these away to people or whatever, you know? This would be good gifts. Oh, this is the stuff the Hill thing is super groovy. We have some poinsettias, which they're kind of smushed right now. You'd have to reshape them a little bit. But we have 2 of these fake poinsettias. I don't know how much those were. I have no idea. And then we have some pine cones. Pine cones are always nice. The holidays. We have a box of just basic pine cones. Mini ones with some glitter. More pine cones with glitter. more pine cones with glitter, and more pine cones with red and green glitter. Never seen so many pine cones in my life. So that was a pretty good box. Yeah. I don't know what my favorite thing out of that was. Maybe the ornaments. I mean, like, I like getting ornaments, you know. What was your favorite thing, Jess? The ornaments, she said too. All right, let me put these things back in the box. They're getting away from me. Just have some room here. Thank goodness. I have an extra place where we can put this stuff too. But, oh my gosh, so many Christmas cards. Man, this is kind of crazy, isn't it? Okay, so another box. I remember this one seemed like it had a lot of the same thing in it, like all of the same things, but I liked what it had. So this garland has little balls on it. It's 5 feet. It's red glitter. I like it a lot. So it's $15, $14.99, coiled garland, okay? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, this one started uncoiling. So I have 14 of those. That's insane. So you could decorate all kinds of places with this. Again, my adult children may end up with some of this stuff. They can decorate their homes with it. I think they would like that because I know they're kind of trying to build their own Christmas decorations. Some more coiled garland. This one is more like this. I like this one, I think. What do you think?
I like the other one.
You do? You like the other ones? Okay, 1, 2, ooh, 3. I'll put these on the ground because they're shedding on me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is crazy. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There's more. 26, 27, 28, 29 that I have found so far. 29 of these. That's crazy. And these were also regularly $15.99, I believe. $14.99. Crazy. Again, I know my children are going to be getting some of these. There's no way I could use all this, right? Oh, look, I found another one. Was it 25? Something like 30, I think. 30. This one's a little different, but it's cool. Oh, here's another one of the little different ones. I have 3 of those. I've never seen so much garland in my life. And another one of these. So I have 31 of those. And then I have just a stray poinsettia. Oh, this next garland you're gonna like, Jess. Look at this. It's white. It's got beads. It's really pretty. Again, there's a ton of it. I don't know how many here. This is crazy. I mean, I bet there's another one of those. I bet there's 15 of these white ones. And then I got this little piece as well. So that whole box was garland. That's insane. So Jess, when you move out, you're gonna have garland to put in your house. And when the boys come over, I'll be like, pick some things out and take it with you because this is more garland than anyone needs ever in their lives, I think. Whoa. I might have to see if my school needs any of it for Christmas decorations and that kind of thing. Yeah, I don't even know how to get it all back in the box. This is crazy. Okay, I've got one more box left. Just go with me. Oh, I've got the biggest mess in here. Dad's gonna like all this, but he's gonna be mad about the mess. He'll be like, what have you done? Okay, one last box. Let's see what we have here. Oh, this stuff's great. It's like that snow stuff. We always eat some of this. We have a Christmas village, and there's 2 bags of it. And this stuff was $10 a roll. It's really nice. Okay, it looks like we have another sign. How cute that is. It's a snowflake. And this one was $35. So, already something cool. Oh no. This goes in gifts, and it's also kind of crazy. It goes everywhere. So, we've got a bunch of this in here, I think. I'm going to put it off the side. So I have another bag of it. I guess everybody's gifts is getting that next year. Okay, we got a weird Halloween thing. A Nightmare on Elm Street bow. Huh. You want that, Jess? She does not. Okay, there's more of this. There's another bag of the mix. I've got red. Bags of red. Oh my gosh. Another bag of red. Red. You know, it would be kind of fun with this red. We're doing High School Musical this year for my 7th and 8th graders. Maybe I make them some little goodie bags that have this in them. Because there's a ton of it. All right, I also, let's see, what are these? Acrylic bulbs. Huh, I guess you paint on them or they're flat. I don't know if you paint on them or what you do. I don't know, I'm sure you could get creative with them if you wanted. But those were $12.99 a package. That's crazy. Okay. Monogram magnets. I guess you could put it's showing them on front doors. We have an E. We don't have any E's in our family, do we? We have a Y. Another E. And an N. So, I don't know what I would do with this. Who knows? Okay, we got some ornaments here, it looks like, and they're all like made of wood. We got a candy cane. We got 3 candy canes. The candy canes were $4 each. And then we have some that are stocking shape. Okay, there's some here. I've seen this before. Snowberry pine scented ornaments. Okay, so we have to have an artificial tree at my house because of my allergies. But I've heard you put this in the tree. You have, oh, and it makes it smell like a real Christmas tree. Oh, he'll love this. So he always complains about that he can't get a real tree. And then in the box down here, I just have a ton. I'm not gonna pick them all up of all these clear ornaments that you can like fill with things. I mean, I have like every shape imaginable down here. There's probably 20 of them in the box. So that was a pretty good haul for $5 total. And something I've never done before. I don't know if I have room to do this very often because there's so much stuff, but I'm sure I'm gonna figure out fun things to do with all this. And like I said, my kids, I think, are about to get a lot of Christmas stuff for their houses, so we'll put those away, but let me know what you think. Have a great day.